Hello everyone, welcome to another lesson. What we're going to focus on in this lesson is how we do substitution, right? If A equal to B equal -3 and C equal 4, calculate the value of each of the following expression. The first expression that we're given is 2A plus C. Now, what is this is saying is that where we see A in the expression, we must replace it with the value of A, and where we see C in the expression, we must replace it with the value of C. So step one, replace A and C in the expression with the value of A and the value of C, right? So what you're going to do is to restate your expression. So note that a color code here for you to easily understand. So we originally up here, we have A in blue, B in red, and C in green. So here we have 2A plus C. So you start off with your 2. Instead of writing back A, you're going to substitute 2 for A, meaning that you must replace 2 with A. So that's what I did here. Replace 2 with A, put back my plus sign, and then I must replace the value of C with the letter C. So I replace 4 with C there. At this stage now, what you're going to do is to just simplify this. So when you simplify, note that 2 bracket 2 means 2 times 2, which is going to give us 4 here. And then now we can write our 4 without the bracket. So what we end up with is 4 plus 4, which is going to give us 8. And when you are reach here now, you can write a summative sentence to say, therefore, 2A plus C is equal to 8. So you would have find the value of this expression. So the expression 2A plus C is equal to 8. Let's look at another one. We are asked to find the value of the expression, which is C minus 2A. Again, step one, we're going to replace C and B in the expression with the value of C and the value of B, right? So substitution is just replacing one thing for the next. So again, here we color code. So C minus 2B is going to equal to 4 because you're replacing 4 with the letter C. Put back your subtraction, then you put back your 2, and then now you're replacing B with the value of B, which is minus 3 here. At this stage now, you're going to simplify from here. So in the next line, you will have 4, and note that -2 times a -3 is going to give you a positive 6. So you will end up with 4 plus 6. Then you can simplify some more. So 4 plus 6 is 10. Then you write your summative sentence to say, therefore, C minus 2B is equal to 10. And you are finished there. Let's look at some more example. Now we are given the expression 5A minus 2B minus 3C. Again, step one, you're going to replace A, B, and C in the expression with the value of A and the value of B and the value of C. All right. So how would you represent this? You would represent this as 5A minus 2B minus 3C is equal to 5 times 2. So instead of putting back A, you put the value of A, which is 2, minus 2 times B. But instead of writing back B, you put the value of B, which is -3, minus 3 times C. But instead of putting back the letter C, you replace it with the value of C, which is 4 in this case. As you can see there. At this stage now, you're going to simplify. So remember that the bracket implies multiplication. So 5 times 2 will give us 10. You have a -2 times a -3. That's going to give us a positive 6. And you have a -3 times a positive 4. That is going to give us a -12. Here we can simplify from left going to right. So we could combine 10 plus 6. That is going to give us 16. Put back our -12. And then we still can simplify this further. So 16 minus 12 is 4. And then we write our summative sentence to say, therefore, 5a minus 2b minus 3c is equal to 4. And we're finished here. Let's look at our last example here. We're given 3a minus b plus bc. Right? So step 1, replace a, b, and c in the expression with the values of a, b, and c. Right? How do you state this? State this, you're going to rewrite our expression, right? So we're going to replace the letter a with the value of a, which is going to be 2. We're going to replace b with the value of b, which is going to be negative 3. And we're going to replace this b here with the value of b, which is negative 3, and replace c with the value of c, which is going to be 4. So what you will have is 3 times 2 minus negative 3 plus negative 3 times 4. So at this stage, you can simplify. So when you simplify, note that 3 times 2 is 6. Negative times a negative 3 is going to give us a plus 3. And here, negative 3 times 4 is going to give us negative 12. Then you simplify from left to right. So we can combine 6 and 3. So that is going to give us 9 minus 12. Then we combine that. So 9 minus 12 is negative 3. So therefore, our summative sentence is 3a minus b plus bc is equal to negative 3. So that's how you do substitution, right? Thank you for watching and do enjoy the rest of your day.